Grate a cauliflower and prepare a tasty and healthy meal. Let's start by grating one entire cauliflower. Then put it in a bowl. Add 2 eggs, 50 grams of flour, and stir. Take a moment to let me know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add some fine herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and stir. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love cauliflower. In a pan on minimum heat, pour a drizzle of oil. Then add the mixture and even it out with a spatula. This recipe is very easy and super tasty. Try it, then write in the comments what you think. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 7 minutes. Then remove the lid and flip it to cook the other side. And our recipe is done. You just need to serve it and enjoy it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.